In this video, we'll explore how to use Claude AI to rapidly prototype a new programming language, focusing on understanding its capabilities and setting up a powerful environment. Did you know that Claude AI can help you prototype a new programming language faster than ever before? In this video, we'll show you how to harness Claude's capabilities to quickly iterate and test your programming ideas. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting out, prototyping is crucial for testing ideas and making quick improvements. Stick around as we dive into setting up a programming environment with Claude, writing basic syntax, and much more. Let's get started.
Claude AI stands out with its advanced language model, designed to process and understand human languages in a nuanced way. Unlike some older AI models, Claude is built with a deep learning structure that allows it to interpret complex language patterns, making it ideal for prototyping. By using Claude, developers can quickly iterate over new language concepts, test them in real time, and refine their ideas without extensive manual coding. This capability is not just theoretical. Many companies use Claude to prototype languages that power chatbots, virtual assistants, and more. In this section, we'll break down how Claude processes languages and why it's a game changer for developers. Setting up a programming environment with Claude is straightforward, but there are several key steps to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, you'll need to ensure you have the necessary software tools like a code editor and access to Claude's API. Next, integration with your existing systems can maximize efficiency. These might include linking Claude with your project management tools or using cloud services to handle large datasets. Configuration is crucial. Setting your environment variables correctly can save you a lot of time in the long run. Be aware of common pitfalls, such as incorrect API key configurations, which can halt progress. In this segment, we'll guide you through each step to get you up and running quickly with Claude.
Once your environment is set up, the next step is writing and testing basic syntax. Claude's language model simplifies this process by allowing you to create syntax structures and test them in real time. You can instantly see how changes affect your code, which is crucial for debugging and ensuring your language functions as intended. Claude also offers syntax validation tools, which help you identify errors and refine your language's structure. By iterating over this process, you can develop a robust syntax that forms the foundation of your new programming language. In this section, we demonstrate the practical steps to write and test syntax effectively using Claude.
Implementing functions and algorithms is where your prototyping starts to take shape. With Claude, you can design basic functions that perform specific tasks, and then integrate algorithms to handle more complex operations. Testing is crucial here. Claude allows you to test function outputs efficiently, ensuring they work as expected. Additionally, Claude's support for algorithmic development can help you optimize your code for better performance. Whether you're creating simple loops or more intricate data processing functions, this section provides insights into leveraging Claude's capabilities to implement functional and efficient code.
Debugging is an inevitable part of the prototyping process, but with Claude, it becomes much more manageable. Claude offers a suite of debugging tools designed to help you quickly identify and correct common coding errors. From syntax issues to logical errors, Claude can assist in pinpointing the problem areas and suggest potential fixes. Automated testing and debugging features also help improve the reliability of your new language by continuously checking for errors during development. By following the strategies outlined in this section, you can enhance the robustness of your language and streamline the debugging process. Iteration is key to developing a successful programming language. With Claude, you can gather feedback from users and quickly incorporate changes to improve your language. This feedback loop is essential for enhancing the user experience and ensuring that your language meets the needs of its users. Claude's iterative development tools allow you to make adjustments efficiently, promoting continuous improvement. By implementing a process for regularly collecting and responding to feedback, you can refine your language over time, making it more robust and user-friendly. This section covers the steps to effectively iterate based on feedback using Claude.
Integrating Claude with other development tools can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. Popular tools like Git, Jira, and Jenkins can be seamlessly integrated with Claude to provide a comprehensive development environment. This integration allows you to manage code versions, track progress, and automate testing processes, all within a unified system. However, it's crucial to follow best practices to avoid common integration pitfalls, such as compatibility issues. This section outlines the benefits of integrating Claude with other tools and provides a step-by-step guide to ensure a smooth integration process. Once your language prototype is up and running, optimizing its performance is essential to ensure it functions efficiently. Claude offers several tools and techniques for performance analysis, enabling you to identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. By focusing on optimizing speed and efficiency, you can enhance the overall functionality of your language. It's important to balance adding new features with maintaining high performance, which can be achieved through regular monitoring and maintenance. In this section, we explore various methods to optimize your language prototype using Claude, ensuring it meets the demands of your users.
We've covered a lot today, from understanding Claude's capabilities to optimizing your prototype for performance. Now it's your turn to take these insights and start prototyping your own language. We encourage you to join our community of developers to share your experiences and learn from others. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more content on language prototyping with Claude. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into advanced features of Claude AI. Thanks for watching.